Live in Pasadena this afternoon, the first SoCal city to issue a vaccine mandate for city employees. Jeff.
Susie and Rachel, Pasadena's mandate had included a deferral for people who were vaccine hesitant. Well, following the approval from the FDA, that excuse will no longer fly.
I think everyone should get vaccinated. I mean, enough with this already.
Liz Capinelli lives in Pasadena, where more than 80% of residents are vaccinated against COVID-19. She was encouraged to find out the Food and Drug Administration has granted full approval of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine.
I think that's fantastic news.
I, as the Chief Executive Officer of the city, have instructed the Human Resources Department to develop a mandatory vaccination policy.
Last month, Pasadena's city manager announced all 2,000 city employees will have to get vaccinated. The deadline is September 17th. Pasadena was the first Southern California city to make such a move.
My hope was that by announcing that we're moving forward in this direction, that would encourage others, both private and public employers, to follow suit. And thankfully, our timing was good, and a lot of people have continued to jump on board.
But Haley Cook and her mom, Ann, say they know plenty of people who are not going to budge, even if there's full approval.
Most of my family and friends are not vaccinated.
I'm leaning more towards not getting vaccinated personally, just because I'm not 100% sure about everything that's being put into the vaccine.
More than 200 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine have been injected into Americans, and full approval comes after 6 months of data on safety and efficacy. Dr. Rita Burke is an epidemiologist at USC.
We are seeing the effects of the vaccine play out in real time, and that as soon as the vaccine became available and people started to get the vaccine, we started to see the dip in the number of cases and the number of hospitalizations. And that was exactly what we expected. The vaccine is doing exactly what it was created to do.
A CBS News poll conducted last month found 67% of Californians favored businesses mandating vaccines for their employees.
It now empowers businesses to make that decision and to mandate vaccines for their employees in order to keep everyone safe.
Employers do have a legal obligation to provide a medical or religious exemption to their vaccine mandate. City Hall says that workers who don't have those specific deferrals can lose their job. We're live in Pasadena. Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Jeff, thank you very much. A new CBS News